Isn't quantum physics a discovery of modern time? But what if I tell you that Al-Quran 1400 years ago talked about quantum theory? Would you believe? If you want to know, keep watching. In Surah Nur, verse 35, Allah says, Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. His light is like a niche in which there is a lamp, and the lamp is in a crystal. Here light is interpreted as guidance. Then Allah says that the crystal is like a shining star lit from the oil of a blessed olive tree. Here Allah likens a shining star, or the Arabic word kawkabun is also translated as planet, a shining planet, to light emitting from olive oil. Next Allah says that the olive tree is located neither to the east nor to the west, whose oil would almost glow even without being touched by fire. Light upon light, Allah guides whoever He wills to His light, and Allah sets forth parables for humanity, for Allah has perfect knowledge of all things. Now, before I start proving part, let's take you back in 2009 when scientists installed a satellite in the outer space of planet in order to observe different wavelength lights that were being reflected from planet's surface. To their utter surprise, they discovered an unusual wavelength light was coming from planet's surface, and its origin was unknown. Then at first scientists thought it could be coming from sun, but then they found this specific wavelength cannot cross the outer atmosphere of sun. So in order to find its origin, they started to observe planet with that specific wavelength light, and they found that the whole planet turned red with various intensity. At first they thought that the map could indicate density of population, but then they found no, it was not population, and it was neither made by human. Then after certain experiments, they finally came up that it was because of chlorophyll fluorescence phenomenon occurring in planet Earth. What is that? What is chlorophyll fluorescence phenomenon? Before explaining chlorophyll photosynthesis phenomenon, my question is, do you know about photosynthesis? If you don't know, let me explain. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants produce their own food with the help of sunlight in the presence of a pigment which is chlorophyll. Well, plants always absorb more amount of sunlight than they need, but excessive amount of sunlight is damaging towards chlorophyll and other photosynthetic apparatus. That's why plants transform and release this excessive sunlight into fluorescent light, which is invisible in bare eyes. But you can see if you pass laser light or UV rays through it. Now coming to the part olive. Olive oil is very different than every other type of oils in the world because olive oil is extracted from fruit, not the seeds. Moreover, olive oil is enriched in chlorophyll. And where there is chlorophyll, it will exhibit chlorophyll fluorescence phenomenon if adequate sunlight is reached. Interestingly, the fluorescent light leaving olive oil and the fluorescent light emitting from Earth's surface is the same thing. It is discovered by scientists in recent times, but it's mentioned in 1400 years ago in Al-Quran, which is quite unimaginable thing to present world. Now, next part. Why these lights are similar? Because both these fluorescent lights are produced in chlorophyll fluorescence method, and they are both coherent wave, which follow quantum theory of superposition. If you look this word into dictionary, you will find superposition means one after another. Okay, let's go back to the text. In Surah Nur, here it is written that olive tree is located neither to the east nor the west. It's interpreted as it is neither in the eastern part of the land nor in the western part of the land. It's in the central position, so olive trees get light starting from the beginning to the end of the day. This also indicates olive trees receive more light than they need. And this goes, you know where all this going. So this means if adequate sunlight is received by olive trees and they are having chlorophyll, definitely olive oil will exhibit chlorophyll fluorescence phenomenon, which is similar to that red glow of Earth. And then Allah said that this oil would glow without being touched by fire. And I have earlier explained that how as a green laser light inside olive oil, in the middle part of the oil, you will see a red glow of fluorescent light. So here it's proven again. And then Allah says, light upon light. Yes, I was talking about quantum theory of superposition. Both the fluorescent light of olive oil and planet surface exhibit quantum theory of superposition, which means one after another. And Allah says in Al-Quran, light upon light, which can also be interpreted one light after another light. Subhanallah. Just see how miraculous Quran is. Now I want to end my video with a question towards the atheists and non-believers. Do you really think that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a quantum physicist when quantum physics is a discovery of modern times? Definitely not. Then how did he receive this knowledge? And undoubtedly it's revealed to him from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our creator. So I'm welcoming everyone, Muslims, non-Muslims, to read and contemplate Al-Quran, because we have to remember Al-Quran is revealed, or Al-Quran is sent down for the entire mankind. Thank you. May Allah bless us all.